significantly better than my chair at home. Very comfortable as soon as you sit down. Lots of neck support. The spine support's amazing too. And all the different modes, I didn't know I could switch it so easily.
It's very comfortable. I sat in it immediately and it fit me very well. The size felt like it was meant for my body. And I like that it adjusts with me as well.
Very comfortable. I feel like it adjusts to my body, especially my back. A lot of tech workers suffer from like tech neck, which means basically your neck is tilted forward. I think with this, I can rest it and still do my work.
When I'm seeing like it can lay all the way back and how this thing will like go in and out as you go to the desk, it seems like one of those things where it was made by someone who went through a lot of chairs and picked out every single little bit of annoyance and frustration for someone who spent time in a chair for 12 to 15 hours a day and just said, I'm gonna build something for that, I'm gonna build something for that. So it seems like you covered a wide range. Yes, very considerate, yeah.